Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your text outline color on Affinity. So as you can see, I'm in Affinity guys, and I'm going to quickly select text tool. This is the text tool, as you can see right here. On the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click on it, and you want to choose to use the artistic text tool. Once you click on that, just simple click and you can start writing whatever. So in this case, I'm going to just write Drew, and right here you can go ahead and just basically select the select tool on the upper left hand side, and you can move your text wherever you want. Now that I have the text available, I can choose a font that I wish to use. So let's go ahead and use, let's see, not the narrow, but we can work with that regular. Now once you have that selected, in order to change text outline color, you want to go ahead and click on the right hand side where it says stroke. Here you can see it will be in color. Click on stroke, and from here you want to ensure that you select this option where it gives you the outline. So here you'll have different ones. So you have the no style and you have the stroke. So you select this. This is going to allow you to make changes to the outline of the text. So once you select this option to set the style to this, then you can go to colors. And in colors, you can go ahead and just click on where it says stroke. Click on this and you will be able to change the color. So here you can just select whatever colors you want. You have different colors that you can play around with. You have gradients, you have, different stuff, right? So you can select whatever. So let's say I want to use this. I can go ahead and I can use, for example, let's choose this regular. All right, so I will select that, and as you can see right away, it changed. Now if you go back to stroke, you can manage the width. So as you can see, I can make it as like that, or I can make it like that, or I can make it like that, or whatever, right? So you can change this to whatever you want, depending on the size of the text, right? And of course, you can always go ahead and make these as long as you want, right? You can even change it manually. So that's how you can easily go ahead and change your text outline color in Affinity, as you can see here, guys. Very easy and very simple.